Pollution is an issue of concerning the modern world that we live in today. Pollution in our environment will undoubtedly affect our quality of life. There are many types of pollution, namely air, water, and noise, that now I am going to talk about. The air pollution is caused by the emission of toxic gases from the vehicles, factories, and open burning. Nowadays, there are more and more vehicles on the road as society gets more affluent. Automobiles provide transport to millions of people around the world to enable them to travel to their workplace or to the school or to other places. So another example of contributor to the air pollution is the manufacturing factories. Some factories also use coal to generate heat and energy. As a result from the burning of coal, carbon dioxide is released into the environment. Now I'm going to talk about the water pollution. That is also a problem that we are currently facing. The marine life is the first to suffer from the water pollution, and as they depend on the nutrients in the water to survive. As a result, we are robbed of beautiful sea corals and unique species of fishes. Water pollution is caused principally by harmful water from industries. This irresponsible act contaminates our drinking water and cause serious health problems and can even culminate in death. Now, the noise pollution. The noise pollution is another form of pollution. Noise from heavy machinery and vehicles can cause hearing problems and, in extreme cases, deafness. As there is growing number of vehicles on the road, we are exposed to noise pollution every day. This effort discourages people from driving their private vehicles and consequently reduces the number of vehicles on the road. So we must work together to reduce pollution so that the future generations can live in a healthy, unpolluted environment. As the saying goes, precaution is better than cure. Thanks.